Bobby!
Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Bobby. Today we'll be making vegan, low-carb cauliflower potato salad. It's the perfect recipe for the summer, and it's guilt-free, vegan, and healthy. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need 1 head or 1 pound of cauliflower, 1/3 cup vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. First, you will start by boiling a large pot of water. While the water is coming to a boil, wash your cauliflower, cut off any brown spots, and chop into medium-sized pieces. When your water has been brought to a boil, add the cauliflower to the pot and cook for about 10 minutes. While the cauliflower is cooking, rinse your dill and remove the leaves from the stems. Chop into fine pieces. After the cauliflower has been cooking for 10 minutes and is now tender, drain and add to a large mixing bowl. Add your 2 tablespoons of dill, your 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of relish, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/3 cup of mayo, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Let cool and then enjoy. Garnish with a sprig of dill. Serve and see if anyone notices that no potatoes were used, or if anyone notices that this recipe is entirely vegan. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below, and let us know how your potato salad turned out. Did you fool anybody into thinking it was vegan? Or did you fool anybody into thinking it was potatoes and not cauliflower? We'll see you next time with delicious recipes on Cooking with Bobby. Bye!